What's up, y'all? It's your girl, Chanel XO. And if you're new to my channel, welcome to the sweet life of leveling up your life, your healthcare, your self-care, your beauty, fashion, style, and everything worthwhile, child. All right, so as y'all can see, I got me some press-on nails that I got from my local Marshalls for $6, y'all. And baby, if you watch my other videos, you would know how this go. So I'm just gonna let y'all see me press these beauties on and see the outcome at the end, because they are gonna be fire, okay? Like, they are gonna be really, really pretty. And you see how it looks like with that white tint. At first, I didn't think I was gonna like that, but y'all, when I put them on, I'm like, okay, I need to go back to the store and get me some more. Okay, and so right now I'm showing you everything that it comes with. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and stop talking and let this video do the walking. I hope y'all enjoy it. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to see more nail videos, comment down below and let me know. And I love y'all.
But I need that time when I see your point.
Is a heart of a woman. Yeah. Is a heart of a
Am I throwing you off?
Nope.
Didn't think so.
How you doing, young lady? The feeling that you're giving really drives me crazy. You don't have
clever play about the choke. I was at a loss for word first time that we spoke.
You're looking for a girl that'll treat you right. Who you looking for in the daytime with a light?
You might be the type if I play my cards right. I'll find out by the end of the night.
You expect me to just let you hit it, but will you still respect me if you get it?
All I can do is try, give me one chance. What's the problem? I don't see the ring on your hand. I'll be the first to admit. I'm curious about you. You seem so innocent.
You wanna get in my world, get lost in it. Boy, I'm tired of running, let's walk for a minute.
Roman numeral 7 days, drop it like it's hot. If this world was mine, I'd take your dreams and make them multiply. If this world was mine, I'd take your enemies in front of God. Introduce them to that life. Hit them strictly with the five. Hey, Roman numeral 7 days, drop it like it's hot. If this world was mine, I'd take your dreams and make them multiply. If this world was mine, I'd take your enemies in front of God. Introduce them to that life. Hit them strictly with the five. It's a lie. Do your dance, let them watch. She a fan, he a flop. They just wanna kumbaya, nah.
This world concrete, how it go. All day, she only do what she know. Weekends, get it poppin' on the low. Better days coming for sure.
Woke up today, look at your picture just to get me started. I called you up, but you weren't there, and I was broken hearted.
We got you out, doors up. Baby, you was loud, straight, close. And I'm with you, everything goes. Coming with that on my flow. Body down, wrist, close. Check time on the way home. This world concrete, flowers grow. All day, she only do what she know. Weekends, get it poppin' on the low. Better days coming for sure. If it was up to me, I wouldn't give it nobody no sympathy. I take away the pain, I give you everything. I just wanna see you win, wanna see you this way.
I trust you, I tell you, I won't waste your time, I turn it off, just so I can tell you, I'ma make you say it loud. I'm not even tripping, I won't stress you out. I might even settle down for you, I'ma show you, I'm a pro. I'ma take my time and turn it off, just so I can turn you on, baby.
Weekends get poppin' on the low.
Better days coming for sure.
Why are you coming for it?
Kisses from you and never, I just don't wanna stop.
They hate a bitch, but they stole the flow. Got back in at the back end coming. Fuck with my stole the show. Don't run up on that bitch, she a head case. All she do is shoot. I signed my deal up on the PJ and hopped out in parachute. I'm geeked on next week, got no more features. I might just scourge you. I'm geeked on next week, got no more features. I might embarrass you. Tag low, stomp a little pussy, the whole bitch from shell toes. Tag low, slapping rap bitches and making bail ho. Tag low, two-tone Cartier match the nails ho. Tag low, no competition, these bitches stay ho. Tag low, curbing, no curbing, my shit is layers ho. Tag low, say they get money, but I can't tell ho. Tag low, keep running circles around these snail ho. Tag low, and my shit bumping up in the jail ho. Get low, where you been at? Mine, everywhere I'm working hard. Maybach and G-Wagon truck, got M&M's in my garage. With the crank up on the hoe, you bitches better not get me started. Locked in with the gangsters and players, my folks don't keep it solid. Everything I got on new, it look like I got renovated. I'm cocky, bitch, when I was just humble, they didn't appreciate it. Young, wealthy, and ratchet, I'm the hood, bitches, motivation. On top of the world now, they tried to underestimate me. Get them glow, them bitches fraudulent, you know you the truth. Get them glow, stop overthinking, these hoes can't fuck with you. Get them glow, standing on business in these Chanel shoes. Before I let a hoe play with me, I'll go eat some jail food on gang glow. Stomp a little pussy, hoe bitch from shell toes. Tag glow, slapping rap bitches and making bail ho. Tag glow, two-tone Cartier match the nails ho. Tag glow, no competition, these bitches stay ho. Tag glow, curbing, no curbing,
All right, y'all, we have come to the end of this video. Here are the results. Aren't they cute? Like, I just feel like this can be like an everyday vibe. You can wear it to your wedding, bridesmaids, anniversary, whatever. Like, it's giving. Y'all, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Bye, y'all.